Okay, let us start studying about Nobel Prize, right? So Nobel Prize is the highest prize in the world, right? It is the most prestigious, okay? Yes. So that is it is most prestigious in the world, highest award, right? So started by Swedish scientist Alfred Nobel. Who started it? Alfred Nobel, the scientist, started this Nobel Prize. Okay, so who invented dynamite? Do you know dynamite? Yes. Hmm? Okay. Hmm. Dynamite is a yes. What? Dynamite is the explosive, that is bomb, to make the bomb they use. Okay, or to make any pataki and all. Okay, dynamite. So he is the inventor of the dynamite. So in 1901, first Nobel Prize in physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine and literature were awarded. Okay, so that is not required, but remember, okay, that is not required till this point. Hmm? So the award is given annually on which date? 10th December. It is annual. Okay. Hmm. So this is how it looks. He is the Alfred Nobel, the inventor of dynamite. Okay. So Nobel Prize winners in India. Who are the Nobel Prize winners in India? First Nobel Prize winner is who? Hmm? Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, for literature. So what was the book name he won for? Yes, Gitanjali. Gitanjali poems. Gitanjali poems. He won the literature award Nobel Prize in 1913. Isn't it? Okay. Next is C.V. Raman. He was a scientist. He won for physics 1930. And then Har Gobind Khurana in medicine. Mother Teresa, that is Peace Prize.
How rainbow will be formed.
Yes.
I mean, how the sea's color is blue.
Okay. So next is Mother Teresa is Peace Prize. Peace Prize means she did a service, right? In Mother Teresa did what? Service, social service in India, isn't it? So that is why it is given Peace Prize. Okay, social service. Subramanian Chandrasekharan, he was also physicist. He was given. Okay, Amartya Sen, he was given in economics. Okay, and then Venkatraman Ramakrishna in physics and Kailash Satyarthi, he was given Peace Prize, and Abhijit Banerjee economics. Okay, he was given recently, Abhijit Banerjee. Okay. Hmm. So this is the list of Nobel laureates in India, right? Yes, getting Nobel Prize is very prestigious. Okay, you have to do so much and so much things, right? Isn't it? Yes. Okay, that is a best recognition you can get. Okay. Next is Magsaysay Award. What is Magsaysay Award? Magsaysay Award. So mainly Magsaysay Award is given in which contribution? That is social service contribution, public service, that is social service, community is same, social service, leadership, journalism, literature and creative arts. This is not given for science. Okay, so it was started by Raman Magsaysay, the former president of Philippines. Okay, it was started. So it is regarded as Nobel Prize of Asia, right? It was told that Nobel Prize of Asia. Okay, good. So next is Grammy Award. Have you heard of Grammy Award? Hmm? Grammy Awards are given mainly for the Recording Academy. Recording Academy means that is musicians, music industry, in the music industry. First Grammy Award was one. Okay, so this is the for the musicians Grammy Award. Okay, yes. So Magsaysay award, yes, Magsaysay award is looks like this. That is the old music player, right? Okay, good. So next is Oscar award. Oscar award is given for what? In the movie industry. Yes, in the movie industry all over the world, around the world, right? Movie industry, okay, for movies and all. So huh.
For that award
Okay.
is standing a man.
Yes, yes. So the first Indian to get Oscar was Banu Athaiya for the movie Gandhi. Yes, this is the movie on the life of Gandhiji. Okay, so it is that. So Satyajit Ray was the first Indian to be awarded the Oscar award for lifetime achievement in cinema in 1992. Okay, so remember this. So Oscar award is giving
Sir,
for the
in
movie
Grammy,
industry, that is best actor,
sir, in
best
Grammy
actress,
Awards
everything.
more.
So see here, that is Tanvisha Ravi Shankar. He has a sitar player, won the first Grammy award from India. Okay, and Tanvisha is the first lady for the song Jai Ho Shivan. It was shared with whom? A.R. Rahman. Okay, and then Tabla Maestro means master Zakir Hussain won 4 total Grammy awards, and in single night he won how many? In the single night he won 3 Grammy awards. 3 Grammy awards. How many awards? 3 Grammy awards. Okay, in the single night, one night he made only one song. With that one song he made 3 Grammy awards. And Ricky Cage is also the 3 times Grammy award winner from India. Okay, so Ricky Cage is doing music on nature. Okay, music on nature. You can listen Kaveri song. So Kaveri song is very beautiful. Ganga song, Kaveri, right? Kaveri, Ganga songs, these are all how the rivers are originated. He is doing nature related music, and he is communicating to the people on what, how to save the nature, how beautiful is the nature, and what are the different uh, what is that problems created by global warming and all. He is educating. You can check the videos, very nicely presented. The music will be very beautiful, right? Mainly it is about music. Okay, so Ricky Cage is a music composer, right? And he plays piano. Okay, yes. So next is Oscar awards. So Oscar awards, I told you just now, that is given in for which? Yes, tell me. Movie industry all over the world. Okay, so this is how the Oscar award looks. Okay, so most prestigious worldwide in the cinema industry. Okay, so first Indian was Banu Athaiya, who got this for the movie Gandhi. Okay, in 1983. Satyajit Ray is the person who awarded for lifetime achievement. Okay, good. So UNESCO Peace Prize is there, right? So UNESCO Peace Prize is presented by United Nations Education Scientific Council and Organization, UNESCO, for extraordinary contribution for international peace. What? For international peace means that is prosperity between all the nations. Okay. Okay. Next is Pulitzer Prize. What? So next is what? Pulitzer Prize. So it was established in 1917, but no need to remember. So after US publisher Joseph Pulitzer for the accomplishment in journalism, literature and music. This will be given for journalism, literature and music. Okay, Pulitzer Prize. And next is Man Booker Prize. Man Booker Prize is sponsored by the prize given in the field of literature. Literature means that is authors, publishers, like that, authors mainly. Okay, so the highest literary award given in the author of British, Irish and Commonwealth countries. This is the highest literary award. Okay, Man Booker Prize. Understand? Yes, this is how it looks. The Man Booker International Prize or Man Booker Prize. Okay, na? So next is Booker Prize winners from India. Who are there? V.S. Naipaul. So for the which novel? In a Free State. So it was written in 1971. Okay, next is Salman Rushdie. So for Midnight's Children in 1981. Okay, so next is Arundhati Roy in 1997 for the book The Good of Small Things, and Kiran Desai in 2006 for the book Inheritance of Loss. Arvind Adiga for the book White Tiger in 2008. Yes, these are the winners. No, these many only. Okay.
Sir, today 18 students are joined.
Yes.
Yes, sir, this is
Huh.
16.
So next is we'll see what other international awards. AM Turing Award in Computer Science field, UNESCO Guillermo Cano Prize for freedom of press. Freedom of press means journalists, journalism, press media is newspaper and all. So field medal. So it is given in mathematics. It is same as Nobel Prize. It is considered as Nobel Prize in mathematics. Field medal. Okay. So Pritzker Prize, that is in architecture, buildings and all like that. Laureus World Sports Award, it is given for sports. Okay, so will everyone remember all these things? Yes, all the mainly how to remember our national awards. Okay, yes, okay, good. So this is all about the prizes. Okay, so you have to do outstanding things when you grow up and win these prizes. Yes, who will win these prizes? No one? No one is telling? Okay, win. Yes, everyone should win.
No,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, yes, everyone should win. Okay, so should we solve the exercise? Okay, should we solve the exercise now? Okay. So which of the following is the India's highest civilian award? Which is the highest civilian award? Bharat Ratna. Yes. Okay. Who among the following is the first recipient of Bharat Ratna? Who is the first recipient of Bharat Ratna? Yes.
C. Raja Gopalachari.
C. Rajagopalachari. Yes. C. Rajagopalachari. Okay. So next is Padma Shri Awards. Padma Awards are around every year around which day? Yes. Republic Day. Okay, Republic Day. So who among following is not one of the Padma Awards? Padma Vibhushan, yes, it is there. Padma Bhushan is there. Padma Shri is there. But this is Padma Chakra is not there. Okay. So which of the following is the Gallantry Award? Gallantry Military Award. Yes. Dhanchand Award. Yes. Jnanapeeth Award. Paramveer Chakra. Yes, Paramveer Chakra is the only gallantry award. Okay, Arjuna award is sports, right? Dhyanchand is also sports. Jnanapeeth is literature, right? Isn't it? So Paramveer Chakra is the only gallantry military award. Who is the Nobel Prize winner in the following? Amartya Sen, APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi, all of them. Amartya Sen. Okay, he was the economist. Amartya Sen, not APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi or anything. Anyway, so who won the Shushila Devi Literature Award for the novel Things to Leave Behind? Who won it? Yes. Namita Gokhale. This book is written by Namita Gokhale, so she won it. Okay. So the first person to get Paramveer Chakra in India was who? Okay.
The Major Somnath Sharma.
Okay. So, that is option A, Major Somnath Sharma. So who was the first woman recipient of the Ashok Chakra award? Yes? Huh? Sanjana Thakur. So she was the first woman recipient of Ashok Chakra award. So here, not that, Nirja Banu is the answer. The movie is made on her, right? Have you seen Nirja Banu movie? So this was uh, one flight was hijacked by what? Hijacked by terrorist. So hijacked by terrorist, she was killed, but she saved
She
everyone.
got the
Yes.
American passport, sir.
Yes.
Then she tried to save a kid and she died.
Yes. Okay. So Nirja Banut is the answer. Okay. Yes, you can see the movie. So next is first woman to receive Ashok Chakra award. Okay. So which is the highest sports award in India? Yes. Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna award. Okay. So for which of the following verse has Vasdev Mohi been awarded the Saraswati Samman? Yes. So that is the short story book check book. Okay, it was published in, that is awarded in 2000. Sorry, this was published in 2012. Check book, short story. Okay, short story book. Okay. So Amartya Sen won Nobel Prize in which field? Yes, Dr. Amartya Sen won Nobel Prize in which field? Yes, economics. Okay. So next is, who among the following was the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award? That is Dhyanchand. It is named as. So who won the first Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award? That is Vishwanathan Anand in chess. We have just seen yesterday. Okay. India's highest award in cinema is what? Yes. Dada Saheb Phalke award. Okay.
Sir, school, sir.
Out of the following list of Paramveer Chakra awardees, who was awarded with Paramveer Chakra during the Kargil War? Who was awarded? Yes. So here Vikram Batra is the answer, who was awarded during Kargil War. Okay.
Sir, enough stop, please,
Which
sir.
we will finish it off the questions. You can leave if you are getting late, you can leave. Which of the highest gallantry award in India? Which is the highest gallantry award? Paramveer. Yes, Paramveer Chakra, option D. Okay. Yes, if you are getting late, you can leave. Okay. Which is the highest literary award in India? Yes, in 1961 constituted. That is Jnanapita award. Okay. So who is the first author to receive Bharatiya Jnanapita award? Who was it? Yes. I think that is Shankara Kuru. So here first author to receive Bharatiya Jnanapita is Shankara Kuru, G. Shankara Kuru in Malayalam, right? Yes, isn't it? He was the Malayalam writer. So in which field Arjuna awards is given? Yes, sports. So highest civilian award of the Republic of India, highest civilian award is, yes, Bharat Ratna award given during Republic Day. Yes. So which of the following award is given in the field of literature? Yes, Uttam Jeevan Rakshan Padak, no, Saraswati Samman, National Tansen Samman Arjuna, Saraswati Samman. Okay, literature, Saraswati Samman. Yes. So Nobel Prize is given annually at which of the following places? Yes. Yes. So Nobel Prize is given in Stockholm, Sweden. It is in where? Sweden. Okay. So who is the first awardees to get Paramveer Chakra? Who was the first awardee to get Paramveer Chakra? Yes, Major Somnath Sharma. This is repeated. Yes. So remember this, Paramveer Chakra, Somnath Sharma, Major Somnath Sharma. What is the highest peacetime gallantry award in India? Yes. Peacetime. Huh? Yes. Ashoka Chakra. Okay.
Ashok Chakra.
Yes, Ashoka Chakra is the correct answer. Rabindranath Tagore won the Nobel Prize in Literature for which work? Yes, Gitanjali. Okay, poem collection Gitanjali. Okay, good. So, which of the following international award is known as Nobel Peace Prize of Asia? Yes, Raman Magsaysay Award. Okay, yes. So,
I'm in class.
yes. So, first Indian to get Oscar award was, yes, Banu Athaiya. Yes, Banu Athaiya. Arundhati Roy, the recipient of which of the following international award for her book Good of Small Things? Yes, Man Booker Prize. Okay, good. So these are the questions, right? Yes. So everyone remember and read this. Okay.